Today we will take a letter to God, question and answer. Question number 1. What did Lancho hope for? What did Lancho hope for? Lancho को क्या उम्मीद थी? Answer. Lancho had hoped for a downpour or at least a shower for his ripe cornfields as it was needed for a good harvest. लैंचो को अच्छी वर्षा की उम्मीद थी ताकि वो अच्छी फसल प्राप्त कर सके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Why did Lancho say the raindrops were like new coins? Answer. Lancho compared the raindrops to new coins, the big drops as 10-cent pieces and the little ones as fives. As his crops were ready for harvest, he hoped that the rains would bring him prosperity, so he left the raindrops were like dew. He felt the raindrops were like dew coins. Question number 3. Question number 3. Yes. Question number 3. How did the rain change? What happened to Lancho fields? How did the rain changed means बारिश कैसे परिवर्तित हो गई, लैंचो के खेत का क्या हुआ? आंसर. The rain started pouring down. The rain started pouring down, but suddenly a strong wind blew and very large hailstones like frozen pearls began to fall along with the rain. The hailstorm continued for an hour and destroyed Lancho's cornfields and washed away the flowers from the plants too. कह रहा है कि जैसे ही तेज हवा बहना प्रारंभ हुई, बारिश ओलावृष्टि में परिवर्तित हो गई और बड़े बड़े बर्फ या ओले गिरने लगे. लैंचो के खेत की संपूर्ण फसल ओलों के कारण नष्ट हो गई. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Let's see here. What were Lancho's feelings when the hail stopped? After the hailstones stopped, Lancho's soul was filled with grief and dismay. He realized that everything was ruined by the hailstorm and nothing was left to feed his family for the entire year. He could visualize the bleak future of his family. And now question. Who or what did Lancho have faith in? What did he do? लैंचो को किसमें या क्या विश्वास था? लैंचो में किसमें विश्वास था या क्या विश्वास था? उसने क्या किया? Lancho had a strong faith in God. He believed that God's eyes eyes see everything, even what is deep in one's conscience. Hence he wrote a letter to God citing that he needed 100 pesos to sow his field that was destroyed by the hailstorm. कह रहा है कि लैंचो को ईश्वर पर विश्वास था. उसका मानना था कि ईश्वर सब कुछ देखता है और उसकी सहायता करता है. उसने ईश्वर को एक पत्र लिखा जिसमें उसने उन्हें 100 पैसों भेजने के लिए कहा. Who read the letter? Next question. Who read the letter? Who read the letter? The postmaster and means red line chose letter addressed to God.